In this video, I am going to show you how to review article guidelines just to make sure that we are directing the writers to create a great article. So there are three different sections that we need to look at the article guidelines. First, we want to make sure that the main keyword is correct. For this one, it's Northern Virginia Home Pro. That is what the article is ranking for, and that's what the slug of the article says. When I say slug, I mean just the permalink right here. So Northern Virginia Home Pro, and this is just their basic home page. So the keyword would be Northern Virginia Home Pro, and I'll show you another one too, just so this is kind of like a different case because we're updating the home page. So we first want to look at the topic specific guidelines. We want to look at the keywords just to make sure all of them match. Northern Virginia real estate, houses in Northern Virginia homes, homes for sale in Northern Virginia realtors, all those match that main topic, which is actually Northern Virginia real estate. So I'll change that to Northern Virginia real estate because that's a better keyword. The second section that you want to look at, so these are all good. The second section that you want to look at is the facts, and you want to make sure that those are all related to Northern Virginia real estate. So this one says, why is real estate so cheap in Lynchburg, Virginia? I'm not sure I would add that in because we're not talking about Lynchburg, Virginia in particular. We're talking about Northern Virginia real estate. So I'm not sure that I would add that unless Lynchburg, Virginia was actually in Northern Virginia. I'm going to take it out for now. Is it a good time to buy a house? It's okay, but it really doesn't really relate to that article. The next question is better. When is the next good time to buy a house in Northern Virginia? So I'm going to take that one out because it's kind of saying it's redundant. So when is the next good time to buy a house in Northern Virginia? We just want to make sure, even though we're pulling the questions directly from Google, we want to have the right grammar. So this one, how are the real estate value going to change once Amazon starts operating from Virginia? Then we can change that to values. Might be a good question to add to the article. It is talking about Virginia, but not Northern Virginia in particular. So I would just opt to eliminate that question. As long as we have at least two questions, and it works. How is the housing market in Northern Virginia and Washington, D.C.? So that one works too. So that's what we're doing when we're auditing, is just looking at those three sections and making sure that everything makes sense, that it goes with the main keyword. I'm going to go to another article here. So the main keyword here is Shadowwood condos for sale in Reston, VA. So just looking at the main keywords: condos, sale, condos, Shadowwood, apartments. This is a little bit different from for sale because apartments are usually for rent, but we can keep it in there because some people call their condos apartments. So we can, kind of keep that in there. Then we want to go down to the common words. We want to look at sell from nearby. Okay, real estate, sell in Shadowwood, find condos for view, view details, listings are available. This is kind of a general word. Now what these common words or terms are what are the terms or words that are used in the top 10 articles. So a lot of the top 10 articles will have sell from nearby areas or real estate. Of course, you're going to put real estate. FL condo, Florida condo, no. Find condos for sale. Listings are available in Shadowwood. Bedroom 2 full, okay, includes electric. So we'll just do that. So the writer, whenever they can include these common words or terms. And I think that's it. So there are, I believe it's 3 sections. So you want to look at the keywords and key sections. You want to look at the facts, add facts to article. There are actually none. And then you want to look at the common words. So those three sections, just to make sure that they are in line with that main keyword there.